My name is Ryan Brinkman. I work with Engineered Fluid, EFI Solutions. I'm project manager, and I'm specifically a project manager on this package water treatment plant. This package is for Butler County, Missouri, Public Water District number 3. And this is going to be a new replacement treatment plant that is currently about 3 miles down the road this morning. We're at a pre-staging location. This is one half of our building and the water plant. We have another section here and then another section of roof. These are pressure vessels. They'll have aggregate media in there to filter raw well water. And they'll also pick up some chlorine chemical and some fluoride. And we are within just about an hour from going about 3 miles south down the road with our first section, where we'll meet the crane and get this thing set on the foundation.
We're in Butler County, Missouri today. We're setting a new water treatment plant. Behind me you'll see the first load. It contains the filter vessels. So we're going to set that load on the pad first, and then we'll bring the electrical chemical room section, get it set in place, and then the last section will be the roof section that goes on top of the filters. The filters were so tall we had to split that building in half. You'll also see the crane behind me here, so they're just about ready to lift. We should be done, it's 9 o'clock now, we should be done by 2 o'clock if all goes well, back together, sealed up, and ready for the rain that's going to come in tonight.
This is one half of the interior space of the treatment plant. So this half and another half will marry together, and to anchor that along that internal seam, we'll have some internal pockets, we call them, that will be drilled in epoxy anchors into the concrete foundation.
We built this project in approximately 3 months in our shop. If you were to site build that, it would have taken over a year. So by letting us do this in the factory, we've shaved at least 7 months off of their construction cycle to get them water, because their existing plant is just about to be out of service. So they really need to get this up and running.
My name is Brian Williams, and I'm the superintendent at Public Water District number 3 in Butler County, Missouri. Our water plant that we have now was built in 1968. It's rusted, it needed to be repaired. It was beyond repair, so we opted with the EFI building, and the price comparison was about half the price of your normal water plants. This morning we had bare foundation. Throughout the day they set the 2 outer sections. Later on this evening they set the upper section, and they're bolting it together right now. I mean, it's a whole lot quicker than your standard construction.